This is milestone 2 for the shed project. For the first question, what steps did you take in order to complete this week's milestone? I started with this bottom plate, which is 2x4, placed it above the subflooring and around the lumber, which would make it continue to be 8 by 5 feet. I then moved on to these wall studs, which are also 2x4s, and this front section from the top plate to the bottom plate measures a total of 8 feet. And for the shorter section from the top plate to the bottom plate measures a total of 7 feet. These wall studs are spaced 16 inches on center. This doorway entrance measures a total of 3 feet wide by 7 feet, 7 inches and a half tall. From 8 feet to 7 feet and 5 feet apart, this would create a roof pitch of around 2.4 by 12. For the second question, what was the most difficult part of creating this week's portion? Probably spacing the wall studs to get it to be around 16 inches on center. For the third question, how do you think this compares to making it in the real world? This is probably a way easier, considering you can kind of copy and paste each piece and then place them, rather than having to build each face on the ground, flat on the ground, and then having to lift it or rotate it to stand upright. For the fourth question, what aspects of this milestone do you foresee being most difficult to recreate in real life? Again, since it's easier to do it through SketchUp as opposed to real life, in real life you would have to create this on the ground, flat on the ground, connecting the members together and then having to bring it from the ground straight up, connecting them to the subflooring and then connecting them to the rest of the faces.